I never visit in New Delhi, like Red Fort. So if I get the chance, so I will visit Red Fort.
Okay, you want to visit New Delhi, just watching Red Fort, Qutub Minar,
Yeah,
and some other
yeah,
things.
Ravi. Yeah,
Yes. Tell me, when this thought came to your mind that now this is the perfect time for improving our English skills?
yeah.
When you were in
So
the college or the school?
yeah, man. Like one to uh, 12th in my all study in Hindi medium, and after 12th, I changed my all mm, subject like English medium. So that's why
Mm-hmm.
I thought why not as well as written part and reading part and as well as improve my speaking part.
Mm-hmm.
That's why
Mm-hmm.
I am learned this language.
Okay, after 12th, you thought now I should focus on my speaking skills.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm. Did you take any coaching also? Like
No,
there are so
man.
many, spoken English classes, people are joining.
Yeah, right. But I
Mm.
have not any coaching classes, offline or online. Both.
Then how do you practice English?
I have like I have some groups and some friends, and so like different apps also. So
Mm-hmm.
and audio call, sometime video call
Mm-hmm.
for practice. Yeah,
Can you tell me the application's name?
like one application and Joe Stop, and second
Mm-hmm.
one CV SIVI.
Shivi. Yes.
Yeah,
I think there Shivi is giving 30 minutes every day.
yeah, 30 minutes every day for free
Mm. Yes,
practice.
free.
Yeah,
Mm. So this is the way you are doing your practice every day.
yeah, ma'am.
Then why, like, you can do practice on audio call, but now you are doing on video call. Anything special? Why you
Yeah,
approach video
ma'am.
call?
Yeah, but I thought first time I hesitate ki my English not good. I so many grammatical error during the
Mm,
talking anyone.
mm,
So why join the like video call? I not
mm,
prefer in video call, but after like 2 day ago,
mm.
okay, no issue. But gradually I improve my communication skill, and yeah, that's it, man.
Do you think video call is really very important for us? Because we can do practice on audio also, na?
Yeah, yeah. In video call, like one thing's very beneficial. After in this session, I watch this video more and more.
Mm.
Ki which part uh, I am
Lacking.
for, yeah, find the my error. You can say
Mm,
again and
mm,
again, and then work. Not
mm,
this type of error in future.
mm. Yes,
Yeah.
you can
In,
rectify your mistake by watching these videos.
yeah, right, right.
Like you are living in Madhya Pradesh. In which area you are living?
Right now, I am living, you can say, uh, not main city, like you can say MP Nagar.
Okay. Anything special in your surrounding, like any temple, famous mall?
Yeah, one famous mall like City Mall
Hmm.
in my area, very famous.
Okay. If you are
Yeah,
getting a chance to spend your vacation, so what will be your destination? Like there are so many places
yeah,
where you want to go.
yeah. If I get the chance, so I will visit like in my area also all
Not area,
places.
all over India. You can choose any place.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I never visit in New Delhi, like
Hmm.
Red Fort. So I if the get the chance, so I will visit Red Fort.
Okay, you want to visit New Delhi, just watching Red Fort, Qutub Minar,
Yeah,
and some other
yeah,
things.
Ravi. Yeah,
Yes. I think there is Mughal Garden, or I don't know the particular name. It always opens in Feb month for the
okay,
visitors.
okay.
Yes. So why Delhi always attract you?
Yeah, but Delhi is a capital of India, so I think
Hmm.
never visit in Delhi. So in my bucket list, ki I will visit minimum
Delhi.
one time in my life
Hmm. You
in
want to
Delhi.
go
Yeah,
Delhi, and
yeah,
you
yeah,
want to visit all the monuments, and like there are so many good markets also.
yeah, yeah,
Hmm. Yes. And there are so many, shopping places.
yeah, yeah. And Delhi also like various type of temple and
Hmm.
various type of park in very
Hmm.
famous. So
Hmm.
in like this type of park and this type of temple very attractive. So that's why I will visit.
Your any
Yeah.
relative or any friend living in Delhi?
No, right now not anyone in Delhi.
Not anyone.
Yeah,
Okay. So, are you also fond of watching movies?
yeah sometimes.
Okay. So, do you prefer Hindi movies or English movies?
Mm, yeah, Hindi movies, man.
Hindi movies.
Yeah.
Okay. Recently, any movie did you watch?
No, recently I did not any movies. I do not watch any movies. Like 5 7 months ago, I watched
Mm-hmm.
one movie, Hindi movie. This name Hera Fairy. Very funny
Hera
movies.
Fairy.
Yeah,
Yes, it is a comedy movie. I think
yeah,
it has
comedy
two or
movie.
three parts. I think it has
Yeah,
two or
yeah,
three parts.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. You watched both parts, first and second? Did you watch
Yeah, only
both
watch.
parts?
No, ma'am. I only watch first part.
Okay. Hmm. Recently, I watched Bhool Bhulaiya, part, I think three. Yes, it is part three.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
I think
But it was
this
not
is
so
a
much horrible
new.
movie.
Yeah.
Sorry?
I think this movie is like launch this year.
Yes, this year, but mostly I'm watching my movies on Netflix. So
Okay,
right
okay,
now it is available on Netflix. Everyone can watch.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, in your leisure time, what kind of activity are you doing? Like reading books and like watching some contents on YouTube, English content. What kind of activities are you doing right now?
So in my
When are you
leisure
free?
time, I have spent like some watch video like related English speaking and some podcast uh, related like personal development. This type
Mm-hmm.
of podcast I watch.
Mm. And what kind of books do you prefer for reading? Story books or self-help books? What kind of?
Yeah, and sometimes I read novels and sometimes
Novels.
a story book. Yeah,
Okay, story books.
yeah, yeah,
Simple story books like Panchtantra
yeah,
stories.
yeah.
Mm. Mm. Do you find any improvement when you are reading these kind of books and listening some English podcast?
Yeah, ma'am.
Did you
Yeah, of
observe?
course. Yeah, yeah. In like I enroll in my first year in
Mm.
graduation. I do not understand in the single word. And like talking with anyone, each other, any my like teachers. Uh, so I do not understand in the single word. But
Mm-hmm.
after like gradually watch some videos, some podcast, gradually I improve my English
Mm.
speaking as well as and also in my reading part.
Mm.
How to sentence
Continuously
making.
watching, continuously watching English content and reading English books. Now you are feeling, I'm confident, I can understand what the other
yeah,
person is saying.
yeah, man.
Hmm. So, which part in English do you feel like in this part you should put some effort? Vocabulary, sentence structure. So,
Yeah.
which part?
In earlier, I have not knowledge about the grammar part, but after that 1 month practice, in more knowledge about the grammar part. I theoretically all know grammatical part, but
Hmm.
in during I face lot of problem. Suppose I am talking with you, so in during lots of grammatical error, I observe it, but like sometimes I not clarify which part I am wrong or right talking with
Hmm.
someone. So
Hmm.
I theoretical part my clear, but in during conversation, I do not more observe which part I am wrong or right.
When you are in term of speaking, that
Yeah,
time mostly you are doing some, mistakes in speaking.
yeah,
But I think
yeah,
it is very common. It's not a big thing.
yeah, ma'am. But like a small grammatical error sometimes will replace am replace will this type of. Uh,
If
Mostly
you
I
are doing continuously practice with your co-learner and you are
yeah.
listening so many, contents, reading also, gradually you will, improve. And these
Yeah.
all
But
the hurdles you will overcome.
yeah, ma'am, but I learn everything about the grammar part. But during the conversation, if I talking with someone, so in during my mind not capture which part I am wrong, telling telling with someone wrong or right.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hmm. After practice, I think this problem will resolve.
yeah. After in the
So
session,
many
I watch the
conversations. Hmm.
yeah.
Hmm.
Also, I watch the video conversation video. After in the conversation, I watch more and more. Which part find the error? You can say
Hmm. Hmm. So
rectify.
how many conversations have you done? 10,
Till
12,
now, man,
30?
till, till now you can say I think 10 around 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, in
Hmm.
on video call.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think when you are doing so many conversations every day, and if you are consistent, after some
yeah,
time, really you feel like you are improving and you can easily rectify your mistakes.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm,
I
you can,
rectify
choose
my
a small,
mistake.
small topic also. Like
Yeah,
you can choose small, small topics like your everyday routine, a good friend, your
yeah,
favorite food, your favorite holiday destination. There are so many
yeah,
topics and you can elaborate in your conversations.
yeah. But ma'am, I face the problem after watching video in my video. So I rectify my error. But in during speaking times, I am not rectify that part or this part. I am grammatical error, telling grammatical
Hmm.
error. Yeah,
Gradually, you will rectify your mistakes during your conversation.
yeah.
Hmm. So, anything else you would like to add it in this conversation, or you want to ask anything to me?
Yeah, ma'am. You ask anything, I am ready for answer anything.
Okay. Do you have good friends, best friend?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Tell me some qualities of your best friend, which always
So
attracts you. Like he is honest, he always supports you. There are so many, characteristics you can elaborate.
yeah, yeah. So I met I met with the my friend. So I share anything how
Hmm.
to tackle them any
You can share
problem.
anything. about your friend, like his favorite movie, his favorite food, his favorite color, and
Yeah,
how
yeah,
is his nature, like he's
yeah,
polite, humble, anything you can tell me.
yeah, yeah. Of course.
So how is his nature, your friend's nature?
You can say like in normal, not
Sometimes,
like
like sometimes some person are very aggressive.
yeah, but not this type of like person.
Okay,
Like
he's very
he was friendly.
cool
You can
minded
say
person.
friendly. Yeah,
Hmm. He have calm mind. Yes.
yeah,
Hmm. And he's honest and he always supports you.
yeah, yeah. Each
These are
other.
the qualities. Okay,
Yeah,
you both support each other.
yeah, yeah, man. Of course.
Oh. Hmm. So it was a lovely session with you. I hope you also enjoyed. We will
Yeah,
meet
yeah, man.
again with some good topics. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, of course, man. Thank you,
Hmm.
man. Nice to
Okay.
meet you.
Okay. Okay.
आज की कॉन्वर्सेशन के बाद है डेली यूज सेंटेंस। जब उसने अपमानजनक टिप्पणी सुनी तो उसका गुस्सा भड़क उठा। हर एंगर फ्लेयर्ड अप व्हेन शी हर्ड द रूड कमेंट। हर एंगर फ्लेयर्ड अप व्हेन शी हर्ड द रूड कमेंट। थोड़े समय के अंतराल के बाद बहस फिर से भड़क उठी। द आर्ग्यूमेंट फ्लेयर्ड अप अगेन आफ्टर अ ब्रीफ पॉज। द आर्ग्यूमेंट फ्लेयर्ड अप अगेन आफ्टर अ ब्रीफ पॉज। वसंत ऋतु के दौरान मेरी एलर्जी बढ़ जाती है। माई एलर्जीज फ्लेयर अप ड्यूरिंग द स्प्रिंग सीजन। माई एलर्जीज फ्लेयर अप ड्यूरिंग द स्प्रिंग सीजन। संपत्ति विवाद को लेकर पड़ोसियों के बीच तनाव भड़क गया। टेंशंस फ्लेयर्ड अप बिटवीन द नेबर्स ओवर द प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट। टेंशंस फ्लेयर्ड अप बिटवीन द नेबर्स ओवर द प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट। तेज हवाओं के कारण जंगल की आग अचानक बढ़ गई। द फॉरेस्ट फायर फ्लेयर्ड अप ड्यू टू द strong winds. The forest fire flared up due to the strong winds. To flare up means to suddenly become more intense, severe, or violent, often referring to emotions, conflicts, or medical conditions. Number two है it can also mean to erupt or break out suddenly. और हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है अचानक भड़क उठना, बहुत तीव्र हो जाना या फिर बढ़ जाना। अगला सेंटेंस है पहाड़ी यात्रा के एक बेहद थकाने वाला अनुभव था लेकिन यह इसके लायक था। द माउंटेन ट्रैक वॉज अ ग्रूलिंग एक्सपीरियंस बट इट वॉज वर्थ इट। एक कठिन 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट के बाद वह मुश्किल से अपनी आंखें खुली रख सकी। आफ्टर अ ग्रूलिंग 12 आवर शिफ्ट शी कुड बेयरली कीप हर आइज ओपन। आफ्टर अ ग्रूलिंग 12 आवर शिफ्ट शी कुड बेयरली कीप हर आइज ओपन। टीम ने चैंपियनशिप के लिए तैयार होने के लिए कठिन प्रशिक्षण सत्र से गुजरी। द टीम वेंट थ्रू अ ग्रूलिंग ट्रेनिंग सेशन टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द चैंपियनशिप। प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं की तैयारी करना एक बेहद कठिन प्रक्रिया थी। स्टडिंग फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम वॉज ए ग्रूलिंग प्रोसेस। जीवित बचे लोगों ने रेगिस्तान में एक बेहद थकाने वाली यात्रा सहन की। द सर्वाइवर्स एंड्योर्ड अ ग्रूलिंग जर्नी अक्रॉस द डेजर्ट। The survivors endured a grueling journey across the desert. Grueling means extremely tiring, exhausting, or demanding a lot of effort and endurance. It is often used to describe tasks, activities, or situations that are very difficult and require hard work. Grueling means बहुत बहुत थकाने वाली, बहुत ही कठिन या फिर अत्यधिक मेहनत वाली।